Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Noobs Law School. If you want to crack CLAT and other law entrance exams, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss a notification when I upload a new video or take a YouTube live. So there might be some problem in the audio of this particular video, but I think you will bear me for that. And in this particular video, we are going to learn if static GK is really important for CLAT, that is for CLAT 2022 or CLAT 2023. I got a lot of messages from a lot of students asking me if CLAT 2022 tests on static GK. So now let us look into the example of CLAT 2021 in the GK and current affairs section. So before that, this video is presented by me. My name is Thrinath Reddy. I'm the co-founder and educator for CLAT and the law entrance exams at Noobs Law School. So a very important fact is that 19 out of 35 questions asked in the current affairs section of CLAT 2021 are from static GK. Yes, this is true. Some of you have asked, this is the current affairs section. Why are you asking static GK questions? And they accused some people who made some videos. And 35 questions, there are 35 questions which are asked in 2021 and 19 were from static GK, which means that static GK cannot be neglected. And these 19 questions are somehow related to the current affairs. So these questions are the static questions which are related to current affairs. Now let us look into some questions and understand how they are asked. And I will also tell you some important announcement about the static GK quizzes. And the name of the section in the CLAT 2021 or CLAT 2022 is current affairs including GK. So you cannot ask the CLAT consortium that why are you asking GK questions. So it is current affairs including general knowledge. So they will ask either current affairs or general knowledge or a blend of both. So this is one of the questions, that is question number 41. When was the first human rights declaration adopted by the United Nations? So the answer is 10th of December 1948. This question was asked when a passage was given about the United Nations from a recent newspaper. And it is also asked, in India, which of the following statutory organizations is responsible for the protection and promotion of human rights? So what is the answer? Write it down in the chat window with question number 45. And what is the world's largest, where is the world's largest mangrove forest located in? So what is the answer? I know most of you know it. Write it down in the chat window. Now, what is the moral of the story? Not by just showing you three questions. There are actually 19 such questions. Right? If I include 19 such questions, this will become a very big video. So I have included only three questions. So don't neglect static GK. For those who are preparing for CLAT 2022, read the static GK which is related to current affairs. Let us say if the US presidential election is in the news. So try and understand, research who are the important presidents in the USA, what is the election process, and also try reading the election process of president in India and who are some important presidents in India. And CLAT 2023 people read completely because you have a lot of time, read static GK because the current affairs including GK section is like a marathon. So static GK is like a small walk when you start the marathon. So when you're starting the marathon, you don't run very fast in the beginning. So you start slowly. So start with static GK and include it with the current affairs part as well. And static GK is useful for other law entrance exams like ULAT and also Symbiosis and also for Maharashtra State. So these exams they test on static GK, so you should not neglect the static GK. So there is some important update that static GK quiz. Every Sunday I will be taking a static GK quiz and today's quiz is at 8 p.m. As you all know, I also teach on Unacademy for CLAT and other law entrance exams. So download the Unacademy app and select your goal as CLAT and use my code Thrinath10. You will be able to unlock these classes absolutely for free. At 8 p.m. today we have a quiz. Make sure that you join my class today at 8 p.m. And there is a mega test series on static GK on Sunday, that is 3rd of October today itself at 5 p.m. 20 minutes and 30 questions. This is free for all the law aspirants. What is the difference between this quiz and my quiz? So this is a quiz which you have to take by yourself, but this is a class. The 8 p.m. one is a class, and in this particular class, I will be taking a quiz. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me directly in the class. I'll be able to answer all of them. So Unacademy is bringing to you ACE Law, which is a one-year comprehensive batch for CLAT 2022. Batch is starting on 4th of October 2021. This is a bilingual batch in both Hindi and English. So guys, if you are very serious about CLAT 2022, I would suggest you to enroll in this batch because you cannot afford to waste much of your time. So if you take an Academy Plus subscription for 1 year, then or for 9 months or 6 months or 1 month, Then you have raise a hand feature and live voice solutions by top educators, 50 plus additional mock tests and weekly sectional tests, and you'll also get monthly current affairs and GK compendium. So it is not that you will be enrolled only into the ACE Law batch, but you will be able to access all the batches and video lessons from all the educators. It is just like the Netflix and Amazon subscription. It's not like other coachings. If you take one batch, you will be enrolled in one batch only. But here, you take one batch, you have the access to the entire platform, not to one particular batch. And you have all these features. If you're preparing for CLAT 2022, don't waste any of your time. You have 1 day time, so just enroll in this batch by using my code. My code is Thrinath. If you use this code, you will get instant 10% discount, and if you use credit score again, you will get another 10% discount, so a total of 20% discount. And these are the features of Unacademy CLAT. As I told you, you have the raise hand and talk to the educator in live sessions. If you have any doubt, you did not type it down in the chat window just like you do on YouTube. So you can directly raise your hand and talk to the educator directly in the live session. This will be interactive classes. And there are unlimited quizzes, I told you already. And you can access live and recorded classes anytime and anywhere. Opportunity to learn from best educators and NLU alumni. And we have very important weekly events like Know Your Exam. Last time I took a Know Your Exam series. I hope most of you have enjoyed it. Then we also have access to national mock test and weekly sectional test. So these are the updated rates of Unacademy CLAT subscription. So 9 month subscription is a new one. So if you're preparing for CLAT, if my guess serves me right, CLAT 2022 will be held in the second week of May. So 9 months is a very ideal subscription to all of you. The price of this is 17,250 rupees, but you need not pay 17,250. Use my code Thrinath and you'll get additional 10% discount. Then use your credit score, you'll get another 10% discount. So you can pay the discounted price. If you take 18-month subscription, you will get 3 months extra for free, but this has already expired on 30th of September. This has nothing. But take the 9 month subscription by using my code, and you can take 12 months also. If you're preparing for CLAT 2023, then you can take 24-month subscription and use my code, you'll get additional 10% discount. So join my Telegram channel, Noobs Law School. Just go to Telegram and search Noobs Law School. You'll be able to get the link. You'll be able to get my channel, and there I'll be posting some important tips and tricks to crack CLAT and other law entrance exams. And link to this particular class is dropped down in the description. See you all at 8 p.m. today on the Unacademy app for the strategy quiz. Bye bye.